Picture this. You open your banking app. You've got just enough money to get through the week. Rent's paid, bills are covered, but there's this constant low-level stress sitting in your chest. You tell yourself, once I have real money, like 10 grand, then I'll finally be okay. If that thought sounds familiar, yeah, that's literally most people. But here's the uncomfortable truth. If you can't control your first $300, $10,000 won't save you. And I know that sounds backwards. Stick with me. My name is Eric, and I spend way too much time thinking about personal finance and how people actually behave with money. If you're someone who feels stuck living paycheck to paycheck, constantly waiting for that big break to finally feel financially secure, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because what we're about to talk about is the exact reason most people never feel rich, no matter how much they make. Look, here's the belief most people have. Saving $300 is pointless. It doesn't change anything. And mathematically, sure, $300 doesn't pay off a mortgage. It doesn't buy freedom. It doesn't change your life overnight. But money isn't just math. Money is behavior, and behavior is everything. According to the Federal Reserve, nearly 37% of Americans can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing or selling something. That's not a low-income only problem. That includes people making $75,000 plus a year. So when someone says, "I'll start caring about money when I have more of it," what they're really saying is, "I don't want to build the habits yet." Here's what most people don't realize. Your first $300 isn't about the money. It's about proving something to your brain. The first time you save $300, three things happen. You experience delayed gratification, you break the cycle of everything I earn disappears, and you create evidence that you're capable of control. Psychologists call this self-efficacy, the belief that your actions actually matter. And once that clicks, behavior changes fast. This is why people who save $300 once are far more likely to save $1,000 later, not because they suddenly make more money, but because their identity shifts. They stop seeing themselves as bad with money. Now, let's talk numbers for a second. Say two people both get a $10,000 bonus. Person A has never saved consistently. Person B has already built a $300 emergency buffer. Within 12 months, studies show person A is far more likely to spend or lose most of that money. Lifestyle upgrades, impulse purchases, subscriptions, just this once spending. Person B? They're statistically more likely to retain 30 to 40% of unexpected income. Same money, different outcome. Why? Because systems beat amounts. Now, you might be thinking, come on, Eric, $300 is nothing compared to real wealth. I get it. I used to think the same way. But here's the analogy that changed my mind. Learning to handle money is like learning to lift weights. You don't start with 300 pounds. You start with the bar. If you skip that step, you don't get stronger, you just get injured. $300 is the bar. Once you have $300 saved, something subtle happens. You stop panicking over small problems. A tire blows out, a medical bill shows up, your phone breaks. Instead of stress, you feel annoyance. And that emotional shift is massive, because stress is expensive. Stressed people make bad financial decisions. They borrow more, they overspend, they chase quick wins. Calm people plan. Here's what I want you to do, literally starting today. Set a $300 target, not more, not less. Automate $25 to $50 per week into a separate savings account. Do not touch it unless it's a real emergency. Once you hit $300, pause and notice how your mindset changes. That pause matters. Celebrate it, internalize it, because that's the moment your financial identity starts to shift. Your first $300 won't make you rich, but it will make you dangerous, in the best way. Dangerous to bad habits, dangerous to financial stress, dangerous to the lie that you just need more money. If this video helped reframe how you think about saving, hit the like button. It genuinely helps more people see this. And if you want to build real financial momentum step by step, subscribe. Because wealth doesn't start at $10,000.
It starts the moment you prove to yourself that you're in control.